Okay, so ito yung lahat ng mga nakuha namin fish, na bingwit na fish ng mga bata. Especially Zena, so it's almost 5 kilos. Ayan, at 2 tilapia. Yung isang malaking tilapia ang nakakuha yung kimot ko, ano? Jidakul.
Jidakul tinagpaan.
Wow. So that one big bangus, it's almost a kilo, 3/4. Ayan, oh. So parang ilang kilo yan? Okay.
Allah!
Ang pamaki.
Kung magbabayad.
What about that big tilapia?
Almost 4.5.
You'll pay.
Huh?
No.
No, I want
You pay, Zenos, you pay. You pay, Zenos?
No.
No.
I never agreed to that.
What do you mean you never agreed? Ikaw ang nag-catch ng fish?
Because I thought you were paying.